Chris with Row Dental Lab, and today I want to talk with you about utilizing your scanner to kind of hack your lab experience when it comes to saving on cases. So a question we get asked out in the field a lot, as well as here inside the lab, is I have an intraoral scanner, does that save me anything on cases, or how can I benefit from that? And today I want to be pretty direct talking about the main benefits you'll have. And something we all kind of know is it's always going to save you time. So sending a scan into Row is going to be quicker than boxing up your impression, sending that UPS along with your RX, waiting for Row to receive it. We know that turnaround time is going to be a lot faster when you submit scans. I'm going to talk about two concepts here. The first is going to be removable, and then the second is going to be fixed. So when it comes to saving on removable cases, I'm mainly talking about dentures. If your patient comes in with a denture that they like, they know, they love, I know you've seen our many YouTube videos on duplicate dentures, but this really is going to be a great way to cut down your denture lab costs and get to utilize your IOS at the same time. So they present, they have an old denture they know and love. Whether they want to make some minimal changes or no changes at all, you 360 scan that denture, you have Row print you a new final denture. That's it. We're cutting out all the lab costs that are associated with the bite block, the try-in, all the steps that kind of lead up to that. So right there, you're using your intraoral scanner to save on chair time, sending records to the lab, and then really your lab costs when it comes to not having to start that case over. The second thing I'm going to talk about is for fixed cases. So you can request model-free when it comes to our monolithic crown offerings. So if you don't care too much about having a model sent back with your cases, you can go ahead and request that on your RX. Or if you love doing it and want it done all the time, we can actually add that to your preferences as well. Now we also can offer model-free guards. So if you have a patient who's looking for one of our CLEARguard options that's either our hard or our semi-soft, those can also be requested model-free. So capture your records, say, hey, I want a model-free guard. Either CLEARguard hard or CLEARguard semi-soft are the two options those come in. And just like how it sounds, we'll send you back a guard with no model. So some really cool options. And then to kind of pose my umbrella over all of that, with going model-free and sending us scans, we can keep a digital footprint of that patient's case. So there's so many advantages when it comes to timing, sending the case to the lab, sometimes steps for fabrication, time in lab, model-free does cut that down, and then having a digital footprint. So please don't ever feel like I have an iOS and I feel like I'm not benefiting from it. We would love to talk with you about how we can help you save on lab costs and utilize your iOS more. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have more questions, want to get a case started, or want some additional pricing info, please call into Row directly and we would love to help you out.